Why don't senior couples use adjustable twin beds? Because they can never agree on who gets the remote, but they sure do enjoy the personal space. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on adjustable twin beds for seniors. Tip 1. Comfortable mattress. Comfort is of utmost importance when it comes to adjustable beds for seniors. The bed ought to come with a flexible, soft yet firm mattress that would provide the necessary comfort and support to the elderly person's body. Some mattresses might be too soft, causing joint pain, while others might be excessively firm, leading to back discomfort. Therefore, it's important to choose a mattress that's a good balance of softness and firmness. Tip 2. Customizable controls. Adjustable twin beds should have customizable controls that allow the user to easily adjust the bed to their preferred height and position. The controls should be user-friendly, with clearly marked buttons. This way, even seniors with poor eyesight or limited finger dexterity can adjust their beds without any issues. Tip 3. Handrails. Handrails are essential safety features in adjustable beds for seniors. They prevent users from falling off the bed and provide support when getting in or out of the bed. Check if these handrails are sturdy and well built, for they should be reliable in case of an emergency. Tip 4. Built-in massage options. Some adjustable beds come equipped with massage functions that help reduce muscle tension and enhance relaxation. For seniors dealing with chronic pain or stress, these features can be a valuable add-on. Still, they should not replace any medical treatment but supplement it. Tip 5. High weight limit. The adjustable bed you choose should be able to support the weight of the senior. Ensure that the bed's weight capacity is more than the senior's body weight for safety and durability. Tip 6. Noiseless operation. Adjustable beds should operate quietly so as not to disrupt a senior's sleep when adjusting the bed position during the night. A less noisy adjustable bed would improve their sleep quality and overall user experience. Tip 7. Safety locks. Safety locks in an adjustable bed are critical in preventing accidental bed movements, especially when the senior is sleeping. These locks ensure that the bed stays at the preferred position until the user decides to adjust it. Tip 8. Easy assembly. Some adjustable beds arrive unassembled. Choose a bed that is easy to assemble. Those that come with clear setup instructions or offer professional assembly services can save a lot of effort. Tip 9. Memory positioning. This feature will let the bed remember the preferred positions, which is a great feature for seniors who have a hard time finding a comfortable sleeping position. The bed will automatically adjust to the senior's favorite position at the touch of a button, ensuring they have a comfortable night's rest. Tip 10. Backup power. Choose an adjustable bed that comes with a battery backup. Power outage situations can render the bed non-functional, causing discomfort. Having battery backup ensures that the bed will continue to operate even when there's no power. Tip 11. Warranty and return policy. Finally, a good adjustable bed should come with a comprehensive warranty and return policy. This will protect you from any manufacturing defects and ensure that you have a safety net in case the bed fails to meet your expectations. Make sure to read and understand the terms and conditions before making a purchase.